What's up guys, this is Danny with Syndicate Off-Road, and today I'm hopping on here to chime in about next month and what we have in store for Syndicate Off-Road and Syndicate Overland Trailers USA. So at the end of January and the beginning of February, there's a massive desert race event called King of the Hammers. So if you've never been there before, it's basically a massive event where hundreds of thousands of people come to watch desert racing. So a ton of different brackets, a ton of different teams are going to be out there. It's going to be in Johnson Valley, California, if you're from Southern California. And just keep in mind, people and race teams all over the country, if not the world, come down for a week full of fun. So we're going to be out there from February 5th to February 8th, but something that we wanted to do for the public is we're going to have a huge cookout on February 6th. That's a Thursday, just keep that in mind, for the public. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this on display, we're going to have our next model trailer on display as well, and we're probably going to have a mobile unit out there for kids. We're going to have a little gaming setup for them, so it's going to be fun. So if you're from the local Southern California area, or if you're in a different state that is drivable to King of the Hammers itself, keep us in mind, shoot us a message, let us know you're going to be out there. Look for the Syndicate camp. We're going to make a huge camp out there right outside of Hammertown. So again, come on out, have a good time, make some memories with us, and we cannot wait to see you guys out there. All right, take it easy, and we'll keep you updated soon, because this trailer, we have a lot of plans for it, and also the next trailer that we have all of our specs for is going to be in the build process as well. So a lot more content soon to come, and we'll see you guys next month.